Hello everyone, welcome to the Instagram diary. I am Data Wizard. I am receiving messages from various followers that we need to start but don't know from where to start it. And somebody has already started but they were in the middle of something. Some were facing the trouble in learning statistics. Some has issues in ML, that is machine learning, and they all are asking me about the books from where, the study material from where to start. So I have worked for you guys. These are the top free ebooks for data science. You don't need to pay a single buck, a single penny for any of these books. These are top free ebooks for data science and they are very good. I had also used them when I was preparing for data science for my interviews. I had done it and these are the best books and I have checked it out. They are free, so no worries about the money. Lockdown is going on, utilize it to grow yourself. The book's names are Neural Network and Deep Learning. Those who have a problem in neural networks and deep learning, they can follow this book. The other book name is Think Bayes. Those who have a problem in Bayes, statics, Navy Bayes, this will help you out. And the books for the statistics, which I prefer you guys, is this Statistical Learning with Sparsity and the Lasso and Generalization. Don't worry, I will be providing you the image of the books so you can check it from there. I'm just helping you guys to know which book is for which field. Okay, another book is here, the Field Guide of Data Science. All over the data science, it will guide you for this. And White Book of Data, that is depend upon the data. If you have issues in data, like there are various types of data. You can see unstructured data, structured data. When in an industry you will go start working as a data scientist, you will be, some clients they will provide you structured data, some will provide you unstructured data. So you should know what is structured and what is unstructured data. So another book is Machine Learning. Those guys have an issue in machine learning, they can use it. Beginner Guide to Analytics, like if guys are there is another job also in the data science domain is of data analyst, and I make another video to provide you the difference between data analyst, data scientist, ML engineer, data engineer. So there are difference between them. So those who are interested in analytics, they can go for this book. That is a Beginner's Guide to Data Analytics. Another book is Data Science, Theories, Models, Algorithm, Analytics. This is whole for theories, models, algorithm, and analytics. And this is the complete package for data science. If you want, some guys want a complete package to know whole data science, so go with this book. This book is very good. This is Data Science, again I'm repeating, Theories, Models, Algorithm, and Analytics. Don't worry, I will be providing you the image within this video. Don't worry. Automating boring stuff with Python. As we all know, data science is working with R and Python, and 76% is going with Python. So if you won't have any issue in Python, go with this book, Automating Boring Stuff with Python. Second and the second, this was second, and now is the last book is An Introduction to Statistical Learning. My pardon. Introduction to Statistical Learning is same. Those who have issue in statistics. That's all. These books are totally free. Top free ebooks for data science. Go with them. Start your learning. Lockdown is there. Utilize the time. And I will be giving you such videos to help you out. And if you have any problem, just message me. Bye bye. Take care. Keep learning.